Hello dosto, how are you? Hope so everyone is fine. So guys, this is our next lecture after the first class. So therefore it is the second lecture of French language. So guys, in this lecture we will learn about how to speak weekdays in French like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So how we pronounce these weekdays in French language. Okay. So let's get started. Hmm. So here it is. Like weekdays is English, and how we pronounce these weekdays in French? Zo di semaine. Okay. So let's get started now. Monday, Monday, lundi. Here I had wrote Monday. Then after that, on the left side, it is the word which is called in French, and at the right side is the pronunciation of this French word. So Monday is called lundi. Lundi, how we pronounce this? Just a minute, this is in French language. Monday. This is in French language. Lundi, and how we pronounce is here. Lundi. I'm trying to write here what we pronounce so that you can understand it easily. So Monday, lundi. Tuesday, mardi. Monday, lundi. Tuesday, mardi. Wednesday, mercredi. ख बोलते हैं इसमें. Mercredi. Wednesday, mercredi. Thursday, zurdi. Zurdi. Zoo. When we pronounce zoo, that zoo is included here. So we pronounce Thursday zurdi. Friday, vendredi. Vendredi. Like if we speak in English, this is called vendredi. But as I told you in our first lecture that it is not like what is written we pronounce the same, because in French language what is written we not pronounce in the same way. It is the different way. So vendredi is called vendredi. Okay. So Monday I told you, no issue. You will not remember. It's first class. So let's get started once again. We will revise. Monday, lundi, Tuesday, mardi, Wednesday, mercredi, Thursday, zurdi, Friday, vendredi, Saturday, samedi, Saturday, samedi, Sunday, dimanche, Sunday, dimanche. So now, let's get a revision or a summary what we have learned today. So lundi, Monday, mardi, Tuesday, but mercredi, Wednesday, zurdi, Thursday, vendredi, Friday, samedi, Saturday, dimanche, Sunday. Okay. So apart from this, I had added some more things so that you can get it easily by relating with this only. So here is what is over the screen is the weekdays like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now in French, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Okay, try to pronounce from your mouth, not in your just thoughts, because when you pronounce your tongue get got an exercise of like how to pronounce it. Okay, so lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Okay, so on the next slide I am adding few more things which we very commonly use in English. So here it is, days. Like first, as you can see easily, here is English, here is French, and here is pronunciation. So let's get started. English. So day, les jours. Now here li, what is donate li, because day is donated by zo. So li means the. Okay. Okay. So day, les jours means the day. Week, la semaine. Last say may. Okay. Last say may. One more thing I want to tell you, like in French language we use le la for the male and female version. For female, we will use la, and the for female for the we will use mle. Okay. So let's move on. Sorry. So we last segment. Today, Ozodwi. 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 Okay? Ozodwi. Today. Ozodwi. Are you getting my word? Ozodwi. It's a bit complicated in the initial time, but if you practice regularly, it will become very easy. So yesterday, air, air. Like air, you don't have to pronounce air, just air, like air, air. Yesterday, air. Tomorrow, jurma. Tomorrow, jurma. The day before yesterday, avante, avante. You don't. Then again here you not have to pronounce air, ventre, avante. Okay. The day before yesterday, avante. The day after tomorrow, après-demain. Après-demain. The day after tomorrow, après-demain. Okay. So guys, for this video, this is enough. Let me show my face. Yeah. Hmm. So guys, this video is enough for today. Learn small things so that one day it will become a big, and you will say, yes, I know French. Yeah. Okay. So this is enough for this lecture. Lecture 2 is enough for this. Just learn these things, like which is week and today, yesterday, tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, the day before yesterday. Learn these things and how we pronounce Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday in French. Like in next video we will learn about the month, how we pronounce in French: January, February, March, April, then etc. So by this we will go and go and go and go for our growth, and after that we will start a grammar. Grammar means after getting a normal things which is very basic use. First we will learn those things, and after that we will learn that grammar. And one more thing I want to tell you, like in lecture one, I had taught you like A, B, B, C, C. So, like in English, we learn A for apple, apple means A. So, what I am doing here, I will adding just a minute. I am adding here one more video, like for the alphabet. In that you will learn like A how we pronounce A like and example of a, like award. Award means aeroplane. Okay, so for this I will prepare a short video for it. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning. Thank you.